Standard 7, we have learned about the development of a thunderstorm. Do you remember how a thunderstorm is developed? The rising temperature produces strong upward rising winds, and at the same time the water droplets move downwards. These vigorous movements cause separation of charges. By a complex process, the positive charges collect near the upper edges of the clouds and the negative charges accumulate near the lower edges. And there is an accumulation of positive charges near the ground also. When the magnitude of the accumulated charges becomes very large, the negative and positive charges meet, producing streaks of bright light and sound. We see the streaks of light as lightning and hear the sound as thunder. The process is called an electric discharge. The process of electric discharge can occur either between two clouds or between clouds and the earth.